Hi, everybody. I'm going to read you a bedtime story the way we do over here in the Recor house. This story is called Roar of a Snore, and it's by Marsha, Diane, Arnold, and it was one of Lydia and Charlie's favorites when they were little. You guys remember it?
I think so.
Okay. The sky was dark. The stars were bright. Each Huffle fast asleep that night. Except for Jack, eyes open wide. He tossed and turned. He groaned. He sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard... ... a snore. Remember, guys? You want to help me? Shh. A mighty snore, a clamor snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Old Hound Dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, Old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up.
Maybe.
The snore still roared, so Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore. Mama Gwen woke up. Lydia, where's your night? Lydia has her night under her blankie. The snore still roared, so Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen went searching. Uh-oh, you guys, I think it's the baby. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sounds. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. Uh-oh. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and who else?
Baby Sue.
Baby Sue went searching. Way down the stairs in his favorite chair snored Papa Ben like a grumbly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up. Uh-oh, what's going to happen, you guys? Charlie, no distractions. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Charlie,
Papa
Ben went searching. Look at all of them. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe wheezed out. Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. So help me. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. And as my students would tell you guys, there's lots of rhyming in this book, isn't there, guys?
Yes, quite a lot.
They found their barn filled up with snores. The sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The quitters woke up. Look at all the farm animals, guys. They're all snoring. The snore still roared. Help me. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. Uh-oh. Still see it, guys? Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes. And there they found, what do you guys think it's going to be? A snore surprise. One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. I need your help to make this loud of a snore. Ready, guys? I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 3,000 times the size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our field, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said Baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed Old Hound Dog Blue. All Huffle's eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed, then grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined Little Cat and snuggled in. Each Huffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last, the Huffles all slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olson tossed and sighed. She heard a snore. Uh-oh. So there's your bedtime story, you guys. I hope that kind of puts you to sleep when you go to bed for your mom and dad. You'll have to come back another night to see Lydia's Nanite and her dirty rat. And then a special appearance. I put little Stanley right to sleep. There he is. Oh, Charlie. Oh, I think he liked my bedtime story. Hope you guys did too. Miss you all. Bye. Good night.